Hi guys, my name is John Kelly, head coach at Live Free CrossFit, and today I wanted to tell you 3 things you should know before starting CrossFit. Number 1 is that all CrossFits are not created equal. Not every CrossFit is run by the same person. Each CrossFit is run by a different individual who has to get certified through CrossFit and then pay an affiliation fee. The problem with that is anybody can become a CrossFit affiliate owner and get a CrossFit license to coach, even if they are good at taking a test and it only takes them 1 time to pass the test. Even if they've never coached anybody in their whole life, they can open a CrossFit. Coaching takes a lot of experience and it takes time to become a good coach. Just passing a test is not going to allow you to be a good coach. So you can literally get someone to go take a weekend seminar, pay $3,000 to CrossFit, they can open up a CrossFit and then begin telling you how to do complex movements like the clean and the snatch. So make sure you research who runs the CrossFit and who is the one writing your workouts. If it's somebody that doesn't have experience, then you should find a CrossFit where somebody has more experience and has a lot of years of coaching under their belt. The second thing you need to know before you start CrossFit is that quality trumps quantity. And what I mean by that is just because you're training 5 days a week doesn't mean you're going to see good results. Just because you're doing more movements doesn't mean you're going to get better at it. You need to make sure that your movements are high quality. Even if you're not doing a lot of those movements, you're going to get better if those movements are of the highest quality. The food you eat needs to be of the highest quality. And then you can worry about the quantity. The amount of times you work out needs to be of quality, not of quantity. You need to get proper recovery, proper nutrition, and proper training. So remember the mantra, quality trumps quantity, and you will not get injured or overtrained. The third thing you need to know before starting CrossFit is that training equals stress, okay? If you're already someone who has a stressful life, meaning that you're working too much, you're having bad relationships, you're eating bad food, you're staying up late, you're drinking alcohol, those are all stressors. If you add exercise on top of that, you're either gonna get injured or you're gonna get sick. You have to realize that even though training is a good stress, it's still a stress. And if you accumulate too much stress, you're gonna get sick or injured. So you're gonna have to figure out what needs to come out of your life. Is training more important or is staying up late? Is training and eating better more important or is drinking alcohol and not taking care of yourself? Because if you can lessen the stress and use working out as one of those stressors, you'll see tremendous results from your workout. So remember these 3 things before you start CrossFit. CrossFit is not like any other workout program. CrossFit is constantly varied, high intensity functional movement. So if you're not dialed in other areas, then you're going to see that your experience is not going to be a good one. We don't want to see you get hurt. We don't want to see you unhappy, and we want to see you get results. So make sure you research which CrossFit you're going to and you live by the mantra, quality over quantity, and keep your stress to a minimum. If you like this video, click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button. This way, when our new videos come out, you'll be notified and you'll be able to take this useful information and apply it to your life.